Welcome to the 2024 Coastal Bend Women in Industry Conference. We've grown quite a bit in the last year, and it's really exciting to see. And like to say that we talk to girls about careers that not many people talk to girls about. Everything from skilled trades to STEM, whether they want to be, engineer, or maybe try welding, whatever that looks like for them. We just want to help them explore those career pathways and let them know there's a place out there for them in that workforce. A lot of people traveled a long way to be here. People flew in to be here, and it's all for you. So please, just talk to as many people and leave here on fire, knowing you're unstoppable.
If each of us can bring one or two more women along, soon we will be 50% of the workforce in these heavy industries.
I just really want to thank everybody that helped us to the gals, because we had a lot of volunteers behind the scenes. So safe travels to everyone, and we'll see y'all next year.